Hello everyone, it's Ritik Jaiswal, Web Development and Designing Intern at the Sparks Foundation. I'm gonna demonstrate the project which was Task 1, Basic Banking System. Requirements of the project were to create simple dynamic website which consists of 10 customers of dummy data, and I need to create the pages for selecting the one customer at a time, transfer money section, and the updated amount section. Login page was not required, and at last I need to host the website on free hosting provider. So let's look at the website that I created. So this is the website. As you can see, it is being developed by me, and I named it as Indian Banking System. So here, let's click on the option View All Customers. Like, the requirement was to create dummy data of 10 customers. Here it is. And the table consists of customer ID, name, email, current balance. You can see current balance as well as email. So let's look at one customer. It's me, Ritik, and you can see the current balance in my bank account. Now let's transfer the money. So it directs me to the transfer money page. So I will be transferring 30,000 rupees to Shikhar. Here I entered the amount and let's transfer. You can see the message is being displayed, transaction successful. Now let's look at the updated section. Yes, it is reflecting the updated amount. From my account, 30,000 has been deducted and it has been transferred to Shikhar's amount. So this is how the website worked. Now let us look at the code. So this is the code for HTML. In this, I integrated entire subsequent pages of customer transaction as well as homepage. And with the help of CSS, I styled the text, I styled the background images along with various effects. I also used JavaScript for giving typewriter effect on the front page. Like in the very first page, you can see the message being developed by Ritik Jaiswal is shown in the form of typewriter script. So that was all about front end. Now for the backend, which I used was PHP as a tech stack. This config.php will be generating the connection between database and the code. View customer.php, it gives the data of all the customers which are being listed. View one customer will be directing us to the page where we will have the option of transfer money along with the details of the customer. Here it is in the code. Now transfer money.php is basically a dynamic stuff. Once we do the transaction, it will be updating the amount in the database. So that is what required, customer ID from where we need to send money to the customer ID where we need to send money and the amount. So that's how backend works. So I hosted this website on cross-platform web server, which was XAMPP. Here it is. For Apache and MySQL, we need to start it, and the database, like I said, was MySQL. So let's look at what is being working at the backend. I created a database named as bank and two tables of customer where I inserted 10 records. Here it is visible, and the transfer table is also created, which is actually a dynamic stuff. It will be regularly updating after the transaction is being held. So this was how the website was being created. Now the last task was to deploy it on the free host service provider. So first I uploaded the entire codes and documents in the GitHub. The platform which I use for deploying website is Netlify. Here you can see. And after deploying, I got this URL for my website. Let's open that. Here it is. So this is how the entire project was made and deployed. That was all about my project. Thank you.